Hello guys, welcome to Managerial Solution. Today I will talk about how to avoid getting huge cost on AWS even if you are using the free tier. A well-known phrase says there ain't no such thing as free lunch. Well, that applies to AWS free tier too. Please read carefully the terms and conditions and keep yourself updated with any new policy regarding AWS billing. In this video, I will demonstrate AWS Budget Setup, which will help you avoid huge costs. For this, you will need to log in with root user and search AWS Budget. Here, AWS provides information on AWS budgets and, as I said earlier, please read document and terms and condition before starting. I will go through the pricing section. It reads, you pay only for the configured action that go beyond the free tier offer of 62 action enabled budget days. When it says 62 action enabled budget days, in simpler terms, it accounts to 2 action enabled budget per day. And this is important point to note. The pricing page explains in detail the cost incurred for AWS budgets. It reads, your first 2 action enabled budget are free regardless of number of actions you configure per budget per month. Afterwards, each subsequent action enabled budget will incur a cost of $0.1 as daily cost. This page also gives us the pricing details for AWS budgets reports, AWS Cost Explorer API, AWS Cost Explorer hourly and resource granularity. Well, having discussed about pricing, let's now jump to hands-on and create a budget. For this, click on Create a Budget. You have to choose appropriate budget. Note that few of the options are disabled for me and the reason is on the top. Because Cost Explorer is not enabled for this account, AWS Budget does not have access to your billing data. You can enable Cost Explorer by clicking Enable Cost Explorer button. However, as I said earlier, please read the terms and conditions and the pricing, which we have seen in the previous page. For this demo, I will continue with Cost Budget. You have to click on Next. Here, you will need to select the period. If you choose daily option, then few of the features will get disabled. For this demo, I will choose the period as monthly. Budget effective date can be chosen as recurring budget or expiring budget. We have to give the start month. I'm choosing December 2021. Choose how to budget. The fixed budget tracks against a single monthly budgeted amount, while monthly budget planning, we can specify the amount for each month. I will choose fixed here and provide $10 as my budget. If you notice, the amount has to be provided in dollars and not in the local currency. Once done, we have to give the name for this budget. I'll call this as monthly cost. And then click on next. Once we create the budget amount, we can add alerts. Alerts are something that will notify user once the threshold is breached. Note that the budgeted amount is $10. However, we want user to be alerted at 75% of budgeted amount. Here I chosen the threshold at 75 and a trigger which will be on $7.50. What it will do, it will send email to the provided email ID. The maximum number of email recipients can be 10. Once alert is created, click on Next. Here we can attach action. Please note, first thing you have to select is appropriate IAM role, then select the appropriate action when the budget threshold has been exceeded. Here I'm choosing automate instances to stop for EC2 or RDS. Once done, you will need to select either EC2 or RDS and select the region. Once you select the region, then choose the EC2 or RDS instances on which the stop action has to be performed. Please note I'm getting error here because currently there are no EC2 instances created by me. Hence, for the purpose of this demo, as this step is optional, I will remove this and proceed. To remove an action, click on remove and then click on next. Now you are at the review page. You can see what all details you have filled in and review it once before clicking on create budget. Once you click on create budget, your budget will be created. And that's how you can monitor the cost even if you are using free tier and get alerts. That's all for this video, guys. If you find this course useful, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye.